Hello everyone, I'm Francis and today I'm very happy because I will go for Hanoi full day tour from Quoc day trip with my friend Courtney! Our guide is coming, let's go! Okay, so we just arrived to the first step of our tour, which is Tran Pagoda. It's the oldest pagoda of Hanoi and it's located just in the near West Lake. So Courtney, what do you think about the weather of today?
The weather is not too good. It's raining here, and I think it will be better in just a few minutes later.
Okay, we will see. Let's explore it. Okay, so now we are going to explore an exhibition of lacquer art.
Lacquer art in Vietnam is made from excel and lacquer trees, and this is really a very outstanding traditional point of Vietnam. Okay, we are here in Museum Ethnology.
Let's visit it. Vietnam Museum of Ethnology offers an insight of 54 different ethnic groups in order to preserve culture, heritage and promote socio-cultural diversity within the country.
Museum Ethnology here. Okay, the museum has more than 15,000 artifacts, including photographs and other multimedia, such as audio tapes. Okay, we are outside in a park, and we can visit many things like traditional house, traditional music, and many stuff here. Let's go. It's time for lunch. We are full of energy, and what is the next destination?
Ho Chi Minh Complex.
Let's go.
Okay, so Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum in Ba Dinh Square is one of the most popular attractions in Hanoi, and it's the resting place of President Ho Chi Minh, which was very appreciated by Vietnamese people, and he was nicknamed Uncle Ho. His body is preserved just here in the mausoleum.
Please remember the security here is so tight, and visitors should be dressed in the correct way without anything informal. This is the first house of the Ho Chi Minh president. He lived here from 1954 to 1958. Okay, this is the second house of Ho Chi Minh president. He lived here from 1958 to 1969, and also called San Bác Hồ.
Courtney, what do you think about Ho Chi Minh Complex?
This is a complicated structures, and actually I feel a little bit sad to visit here because I feel I miss our president so much. Okay, welcome to the Temple of Literature. It is also the final destination of this tour today. It was built in 1070s and also known as the first university of Vietnam. Let's go to visit. Okay, Francis, are Are you tired today?
No, even if it was a little bit long, I'm never tired when it's about visiting Hanoi, which is very interesting. A lot of cultural aspect of the city and also of the country. So no.
Yes, but it's so pity to say goodbye to our tour today because this is final destination. So what do you want to say?
We will put the link of the tour on the video description. We are also offering cruises and airport transfer. Don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel. See you, bye!